Alright, we've made it to the Indian staircase. Got the springboard facing the We're not in any hurry. We know it's a bit of a climb. Oh, we haven't been over. This is our first time up here too. I hear you. They got nice little divots there to get foothold and stuff. Yeah, we did the cloud splitter this morning. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is just a little cheap Vivitar. Oh, it works. We put it through its paces this morning. If I'd remembered, it would have brought the 550 cord. Alright, the hardest part's coming up. Yeah. See it right there? one foot here, then you can move another here, another here, another here. You can kind of belly crawl into the rest of the left. Follow me, okay? Well, that's slicker as it looks. Alright, just be careful. I'm gonna go up that way. You can see where you can see where that foothold there's been wore out. Goddamn GoPro's gonna kill me. Yeah. Not yet. You can ask him. Just say, would you like an extra hand? Yeah, I don't want to bug him. See, we're gonna fall all the way up. See the people standing up there? I'll go first since you got the camera. Alright. You're gonna want to be on your, like on all fours. At one point you'll be able to stand up though. Well, that view's getting better and better though. I'll do one too. Just because we ain't coming back down this way. Dig. We have a climb, huh? Wasn't too bad. That first spot right there was a rough spot. Yeah, and you can see where the foot traffic is just wearing out those footholds. This sandstone just erodes so easy, I guess. That might be why this got marked. It might be one of the trails that closed down a few years ago to help with the erosion. And also, it's just like obviously you got to be in some form of physical shape to do it. Well, yeah, because like say at this point, or right there, if you slip and roll down, or if you don't have the strength to pull yourself up, yeah, just follow it up that way. Look at that. I think we go around the whole ridge line. Oh wow. try. Let me look at the notebook here a second. I wanted us to look at Frog's Knob. I think it's up there on the left, where they're teaching people to rappel. Scramble at the top of the ridgeline, turn left on ridgeline, and find a place for a break. Favorite poplar spot is about 200 feet on the left side, had an open overlook. There's a rock known as the Frog's Head. Yeah, Jesus Christ. For a place that isn't frequented very much. Well, that's just a good tip. So, where do you think the Frog's Rock is supposed to be? I think it's right over there. I could be wrong though. You know what Frog's Rock looks like? Yeah, it looks like a frog's head coming off the edge of the cliff. That's why it's called that. Let me see where this tells us to go after this. Looks like they're closing up shop, bro. Breather. Looks like it. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna head left on this trail to circumnavigate around the ridge. That's the loop. Let me walk back over here. How's it going? Mm. I did not expect it to be so crowded on a Tuesday. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's why I thought on Tuesday it'd be pretty empty. I'm trying to find where the hell that Frog's Head is. Like, it's very distinguishable. Pictures and stuff, yeah. Because it's a very popular rappelling spot, supposedly. No, it didn't look like the spot. That's not the spot. You'll see it. There it is. See that lump up there? I think that's it. Holy shit. Look at that view. I didn't move, you did. What for? Because they're just gaggled up here? Yeah, and just all the trash up there. Or enjoy it is the way I see it. But the way I see it is, they got a group of kids out here trying to teach them to rappel. But they're not teaching them properly because they have trash screens all around it. I don't know what the hell's going on with my phone, it just froze. See what pop-ups. See, it wasn't that difficult to get up here, was it? No. Yeah, that's not smart. You're putting your kids in weird spots. Yes. You want me to turn it off? Huh? I was gonna wait till we get to the Frog's Head. Well, it's a shared place, bro. Hopefully they take your trash. Yeah, I don't know why they based camp right there where everybody comes up at. Like, literally, it's not the first sight you want to see coming up the damn Indian staircase with a gaggle of people. How do we get over there? I know. I was just look at the mass of that. All right, I think that might be the big rock shelter over there. Could be wrong, but there's a big rock shelter somewhere. Or do you want to go up and around? Looks like it. From the other side is where you can clearly tell it looks like a frog. Mm-hmm. And see where people carved on it. See, why not set up your base camp all the way over here? Away from where everybody's hanging out. Yeah, see the side here? Somebody's even carved a little eye and a mouth. Yeah, neat. Well, yeah, I got the camera on. Careful where you're stepping, bro. You're really close to the edge. I'm going to pull my phone out for me for a second so I can take a picture. Just be a lot careful getting to the edge, bro, because the shoes, and I want you slipping off. Yeah. What? No, you're supposed to get my phone out. Yeah, why'd you make me turn around? Because I'm so used to getting the notebook out. Alright, normally I'd say let's take a breather here, but with all that noise over there, I'd say let's push on. That's what I thought when we were coming up to, and I was like, what is all this noise? Oh, there is no unlock button. You know the stupid fingerprint feature on this thing? You can't even receive phone calls or text messages while that's activated. That sun is a scorcher. Want to try and get a selfie? I'm sitting. Oh, my tailbone. There we go. Just reorient. Be this quick because we're facing downhill. I didn't get to take as many pictures over there as I wanted to. I was about to start doing it, but fuck it. That's what I say. It's supposed to be public communal area. If they got like a gaggle of people just posted up right there. Kind of resend this. Yeah, there we go. Now go ahead and hop up. That should loop us around to Indian Arch. I thought about that. Yep. Let me look at the notebook real quick. They're up here in the shade. Oh yeah. I mean, just trying to get up the damn Indian staircase, you'll fall really easy. Alright. Left side Frog's Head. From Frog's Head. Continue on this trail heading left or west along the top of the ridgeline. 0.7 miles. Stay close enough to the top of the ridgeline to remain on well-trod trails. Be able to see the edge, but do not get too close to the edge for safety. After about 0.3 miles, the ridgeline and trail turn mostly south. And we'll go back onto the number 100 Sheltowee Trail. Alright, so we'll follow this for 0.7, so a little bit over half a mile. Alrighty. Do we do it now or do you want me to wait? I'll just leave it on for a little bit. Well, we did Indian Staircase. I'm just bummed we couldn't really take time to enjoy it better. Well, and I wanted to try and see if we could see where Cloud Splitter was from here. I don't get setting up fucking camp right at the top. Like literally where you finish the staircase, you're gonna set up camp. Well, even though this is an unmarked trail, you could at least be respectful and follow the rules that you camp 100 yards off of a trail. Or over there at Frog's Head. Preferably not Frog's Head for a simple fact. People go there to look at it. We might need to head up there. Yeah.